Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then please answer my question. Have you done this homework?
Yes.
Okay, Zain has done it. What about Abdul Rahman?
Well, I did all the questions except the last one, I think.
Okay. Were you having a doubt in the last one or what was it?
Oh, either I thought I finished all of it, or
Okay, fine. And what about you, Abdul Jabbar? Have you done all of them? Abdul Jabbar? Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, have you done this homework?
Half of it, ma'am.
Okay, Zain and Abdul Rahman, I want you all to tell me the answers, okay? Okay, first one. How do we write it in the form of ax plus by plus equals 0? Zain,
2 plus 3.
2 plus 3 or 2x plus 3y?
Oh, sorry, 2x plus 3y.
Then
Uh, then 9.
minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. This is the standard form. And then what is A, B, and C over here? A is what? Then
2x.
B. No, A is not 2x. A is 2.
Sorry, 2.
B is
3.
and C is
9.35.
it is minus 9.35 bar. Abdul Rahman, second one. This is already written. Okay. Yeah, Abdul Rahman. Just question.
yes.
How do we write it in the standard form?
We first write it in 1x
Okay.
plus
Plus what?
plus minus 1
Plus minus 1 by 5.
minus 1 by
Y.
5 y plus minus 10 equals 0.
Okay. What is A, B, and C here?
A is 1,
Okay.
B is minus 1 by 5,
Very good.
and C is minus 10.
Very good, Abdul Rahman. Okay. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Then
A equal 2 minus 2.
okay, first write it in the standard form.
Yes. Minus 2x plus 3y.
Yes.
Minus 6.
Is equal to 0. You have to say is equal to 0 also. If you don't say that, it won't be correct. Okay, what is A, what is B, what is C?
A is minus 2. B is 3. And C is 6.
C is minus 6, dear. Why is it minus 6? Because here we have minus 6. C is minus 6. Is this clear then?
Yes.
Okay, Abdul Rahman, x is equal to 3y.
Uh, X equals to 3y.
Yeah,
Okay.
what's the standard form?
Wait, let me think.
Okay, think.
Okay, so X equals to 3y. Wait, let me think. X equals to X minus 3y
Hmm.
equal to 0.
Okay, then
Then X plus 3y plus wait,
x plus
0.
3y.
Yeah, X plus 3
Right
no,
now it is.
X minus 3y plus
Hmm.
0 equals to 0.
Good.
Then 1 x plus minus 3y plus 0 equals 0. Now
Hmm.
A is 1, B is minus 3, and C is 0.
Okay, good. Next, yes, then 2x is equal to minus 5y.
2x minus 5y equals 0.
Bache, then see when this minus 5y it goes to the left hand side, what will it become? It will become
Uh,
plus 5y, right? Then, are you understanding?
yes,
It
yes,
is
yes.
minus 5y. It goes to the other side. It becomes plus 5y. 2x plus 5y equals 0. Then, what is A, what is B, what is C?
A is 2x.
A is 2x.
Sorry, 2.
Huh,
B is 5.
huh.
Uh, C is
C is
0.
C is 0. Okay. Then Abdul Rahman, last one. 5 is equal to 2x. Abdul Rahman, you're muted.
Oh, let me say the answer. Oh, okay.
Hmm.
So the answer is uh minus 2x plus 5
Hmm.
equals 0,
Hmm.
minus 2x plus
Hmm.
0 plus 5 equals 0,
Hmm.
minus 2x plus
Hmm.
0y plus 5 equals 0.
Hmm.
And A is minus 2, B is 0, and C is
Hmm.
5.
Okay. All right. So we're done with this part. Now let's go to the okay. Let's move on now. Okay. Let's just do the first question in exercise 4.1. Just write the question. I'm writing it over here. Please note it down in your book. So the question says the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation into variables to represent this statement. Done? Okay. What is the statement? The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So let's say, now the answer, let cost of notebook be equal to X, and let cost of a pen be equal to Y. Okay. Now can someone tell me what will be the relationship between X and Y? How will we write this yellow highlighted portion? How will we write that in terms of X and Y? Yes? Who will tell me? Anyone?
What if we make
Okay, see, let me show you how to translate um, mathematical statements into English language. Okay, how to
what
translate mathematical language to
uh,
English language.
what if we
See
make
there,
x into 10 and y into 5?
yeah, that is fine. That is an example. But we don't know for sure whether X is going to be 10. It's not always going to be 10, right? See, the
Yeah.
thing is, no matter what X is, Y will always be half of it. Yeah, no matter what Y is, X will always be double of it. That's why we use variables in the first place, because it's not constant. The price could be anything. So let me write the statement here. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Okay. Now pay attention to these individual things. Cost of notebook. What is the cost of notebook?
Twice of a pen.
Yeah. What is the cost of notebook in mathematical language? What is it?
Twice of, I mean,
No.
x.
What is, okay, that is fine. What is the cost of a notebook? The cost of a notebook is X, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then why aren't you speaking? So cost of notebook. In place of cost of notebook, we write X. Fine. Now, always remember in mathematics, if you have is or the word was, okay, is, was, this is translated as equal to. All right.
Yes.
Is translated as equal to. Now, let's come to this. Cost of pen. We'll come to the twice wala part later. We'll come to the twice wala part later. Right now, let's talk about the cost of pen. What is the cost of pen in mathematical language in this question?
Y.
Y. Very good. So it is Y. Now, what does twice mean? What is the meaning of twice? Twice means what?
Um,
Twice means two times, right? Yes, are you guys aware of that?
Yes.
Twice means 2 times. Yeah.
Yes.
So twice means 2 times. So what have we gotten from our English sentence? What is our mathematical statement? Can someone tell me? X is equal to
2x.
2x. X is equal to 2x.
2.
What is after the 2? 2 times y. X is equal to 2 times y, which is basically x is equal to 2y. This is our statement, linear equation in 2 variables. Is this clear, Abdul Rahman?
Yes.
Zain, is it clear?
Yes.
Done? Done? Shall we move on?
Yes.
Okay. Now we talked about, I think Abdul Rahman, you weren't there when we were talking about this. We were talking about the solution of an equation, and Abdul Rahman, you can go back to the recording, okay? This is your homework. You will go back to the recording of the previous class where you missed the beginning of what we taught in the class, okay?
Where is the recording?
Okay, you can ask on WhatsApp the same number from where you get the links to the class. You can ask them for the recording, they will give you. Okay,
Okay.
you have to watch the recording of the previous class, which was on 13th July. I will just brief you, but in order to understand it completely, you need to watch the recording. Okay, all right. Now, okay, so we saw this linear equations in 2 variables. So linear equation means the power of the equation is 1. There's no x square or y square. We're not going to have such things. We're always going to have x, y. Okay, no square or cube or something like that. Now, we are talking about solution of the equation. We saw that an equation like this, 5 plus x equals 9. This is a linear equation in one variable. How many solutions does it have? It has only one solution, which is x
Yeah,
will
because we
always be
only have
4.
to move 5 to 9 to make it negative, and 5 minus 9 is 4.
No, 9 minus 5.
Oh, sorry, now.
Yeah, right? So you have just one solution. X is equal to 4 is one solution, right?
Oh, yes, yeah,
But
once.
when you have a linear equation in 2 variables, how many solutions can you have? If you say that x is 2, in that case, your y becomes
4.
4. I'm talking about this, bache.
Oh,
If you say your x is 2, your y becomes what?
oh, 1.
8.
8. It becomes 8,
Oh,
right?
8.
If
Okay.
x is 2, y becomes 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. If
Uh,
your x is 3, y becomes 7. So, and then similarly, if x is 4, y becomes 6. If x is 5.5, y becomes 4.5. If x is 9.9, y is 0.1. So how many solutions do you think we will have for a linear equation in two variables? How many solutions?
Only two.
How many
Many
solutions did I
solutions.
just tell you?
Infinite.
Yes, infinitely many solutions, right? We just now saw that you can have as many number of solutions as you want. So
Yeah.
for a linear equation in two variables, you will have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now, we were seeing in the previous class whether a point is a solution of the equation or not. And by a point, I mean this. Like, for example, when we said x is 2 and y is 8, right? So x is 2 and y is 8, it can also be written like this, 2 comma 8. Remember, just the previous chapter we did coordinate geometry, where
Yes.
your x is 2 and y is 8. So
Yes.
this is one more way of writing the solution of an equation. So don't get confused if I say 6 comma 4 is a solution of an equation. You'll be like, wait, 6 comma 4 is a point. We can plot it on the graph, 6 comma 4. How is it a solution? It is a solution because x is 6 and y is 4. And in the previous class, before you came, Abdul Rahman, we were also seeing how this equation corresponds to this yellow colored equation corresponds to a line on the graph. Okay, it corresponds to a line on the graph, and every point on that line, wait a minute, and every point on that line is going to be a solution of that equation. Okay, this is something we saw in the previous class. I'm not going to explain it here because we've already done it. Please watch the video. Okay,
Okay.
so after that, let's come to this now. Let's say you have two, okay, let's say you have x plus 2y equals 10. Okay, I'm asking you, so this is my equation. I'm asking you, is 1 comma, okay, no, is 2 comma 4 a solution of this equation or not? What will you
No.
do in this case? Okay, listen here. Okay, what will you do in this case? You will put x as 2 and y as 4 wherever you have it in this equation. Okay, so let's take this equation down. In place of x, you have to put what? In place of x, you have to put what? My question is this a solution of x plus 2y equals 10? This is my question. Is 2 comma 4 a solution? What does that mean? Solution means when you put this value of x and y in the equation, your LHS should be equal to RHS. That is what solution means. Just like over here, we had solution of, where did it go? Solution of this equation, the green equation, is x equals 4. That means if you put x equals 4 in the green equation, your LHS will be your LHS will be equal to the RHS. LHS will become 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, and RHS will also be 9. So that is why it is a solution of your equation. So now let's come back to this. Is this a solution of this equation? So what do you have to do? Put 2 wherever you have x, okay, and put 4 wherever you have y. Let's do that. X plus 2y. In place of x, what do I have to put?
2.
Yes, 2. In place of x, I have to put 2. Then in place of, then this plus, and then 2 over here. Now in place of y, what do I have to put?
4.
4. So 2 multiplied by 4. Okay. This is the LHS, left hand side of the equation. 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4. This gives you 2 plus, what's 2 fours are?
8,
8. And what's 2 plus 8?
10.
And this is equal to our RHS or not?
Yes.
Yes. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means x plus 2y is equal to 10. This is the equation. 2 comma 4 is a solution of the equation. Okay, let me give you one more. Same equation is 1 comma 3. Okay, no, 3 comma 3 a solution of the equation. Try putting it one by one. What will my equation become? Please write it in your notebook simultaneously. Huh? What should I write here now? If I put 3 comma 3, if I put 3 as x and 3 as y, what will I get? Abdul Rahman, what will I get?
Well, you get
See, in place of x, I put 3. In place of y, I put 3. That's all I'm doing. Now tell me. In place of x, I put,
you get a 3
then,
plus
hmm,
2
hmm,
multiply by 3.
Is equal to, wait, we don't write this yet. Just gonna write LHS is this, okay? And this is equal to what? 3 plus
3 plus okay, we have to multiply and it makes 6.
3
yes,
plus 5 equal
3 plus 6. And what is 3 plus 6?
9.
9. Is this equal to RHS? Is this equal to 10?
No.
It's not equal to 10. So LHS is not equal to RHS. That means 3 comma 3 is not a solution of the equation. Which equation? Not a solution of which equation?
Um,
x plus 2y.
X.
Yes, x plus 2y equals 10. Okay. Fine. Let's take some more questions. Okay. Now let's do one more thing. Over here, the solution was given to you, like a particular solution was given to you, and they were asking if whether it is a solution or not. A particular point was given to you, and they were asking whether it is a solution or not. Now, what they're going to do is, now you're just given an equation. Let's say 3x plus y equals 12. Okay. You have to find, let's say, 4 solutions for this equation. Find 4 solutions. First of all, how many solutions is this equation going to have? How many solutions is it going to have? And where did your videos go? Switch on your videos. Yes. Now, how many solutions is it going to have? We just now discussed it. Zen, you were present in the previous class from beginning to end. Tell me. How many solutions is this equation going to have? You're muted.
Uh,
Yes?
2.
Two solutions. That's it? It's only going to have two solutions. What did we discuss in the previous class? And I just now told you again that if you have a linear equation in two variables, you will have infinitely many solutions. Did we discuss it just now or not? Are you guys
Yes.
paying attention or not? First, tell me that. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
What about you, Abdul Rahman? See, it's not anything, it's not a big deal, okay? Just
Yeah.
x plus y equals 10 or any other linear equation in two variables. What does that mean? That there is an x and there is a y. There are two variables here, not just one variable. There are two variables. How many solutions is it going to have? It's going to have infinitely many solutions. Just like we saw that you can have 2,8 as a solution, right? When you put x
Oh, I
as
know the
2,
answer.
when you put x as 2, y becomes 8. If you put x as 1, y becomes 9. If you put x as 3, y becomes 7, and so on.
Nah,
There's not just two solutions. There are infinitely many solutions. Yes, Abdurrahman.
I know the answer to it.
What is it?
Okay, so 3 multiply by 3 plus 3 multiply by 3 plus 3 is equal to 12.
See, how we do such questions is, listen carefully now, okay? Because I'm going to ask you to do a similar question by yourself after this. How we do such questions is that we first fix the y. We make a table, okay? X and y. We make a table. We want 4 solutions, right? So we're going to make a table with 4 columns. Now, when your x, we're going to first put x as 0. Let x equal 0. Then if x equals 0 in this, what does this equation become? Yes, what does this equation become? 3 times 0 plus y equals 12. What is 3 times 0?
3 times 0 is 0.
0. 0 plus y equals 12. That means y equals what?
Y is 12.
So when x is 0, now I'm going to write it in the table. When x is 0, y is 12. Okay. Then let y is 0. Okay. That means y is 0. Then what does this become? 3x plus 0 equals 12. In place of y, I put 0. Okay. Now, what does this become? 3x equals 12. So x becomes what? 12 by 3. What is 12 by 3?
12 by
4. So x becomes 4. Okay. Now, Abdul Rahman was talking about x as 3. Okay. You want to put x as 3. So let's put x as 3. Let's put x as 3. Let x equals 3. Then what happens? 3x plus y equals 12. You're putting x as 3.
Yes.
So 3 times 3 plus y equals 12. What is 3 times 3 now?
9.
Yeah, 9. 9 plus y equals 12. So y will be equal to
Uh,
12 minus 9, which is 3. So when x is 3, y is also 3. Okay. Now let's do x equals 2. Let's do x equals 2. So what will we have now? Zen, your turn. What will we have now?
3x plus y equal 12.
Yes, and what is x?
2. 3
Yes,
by 2.
3 multiplied by
2
2
plus y equal 12.
plus y equals 12. Then
6
hmm,
6 plus y equal 12.
then what is y?
6.
Y is equal to 12 minus 6, which is 6. So we got 4 solutions. What are those 4 solutions? Let's write them all here. The we have more than 4 solutions, right? For this particular equation, for any equation into variables, you'll have infinitely many solutions. But obviously, you can't find so many. You can't find infinitely many solutions. So they have asked you to find just 4 of them. So we have found 4. If you want, you can put x as 1. You can put x as 10, whatever. Okay. So now let's write the solutions. 4 solutions are, what are those 4 solutions? The first one is what? The first one is 0, 12.
X 0, 12. The second
X is
one
0, y is 12.
4, 0.
4, 0.
The other is 3, 3,
3, 3.
and 2, 6.
2, 6. Okay. Please note this all down. Done.
Wait, no. Um,
Don't copy every single thing. Some calculations you can do by yourself also. If you're getting stuck somewhere, then look at the screen. Otherwise, just try to solve it by yourself. Okay, I suppose it's done now. You guys are done. All right.
Uh, is the-
Done, Abdul Rahman.
no, just 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Finish.
Okay, good. Um, See, there is a topic after this which might be there in your textbook, but it's deleted from the current syllabus of ninth grade CBS. Okay, and that topic is the graph of a linear equation. The thing is that topic is very important. Okay, so we won't do many questions on this, but we will just try to understand what this topic is. Fine. And as I showed previously to Zen as well, Zen, please change your name, beta. I keep getting confused. Rename yourself on on Zoom. Please rename yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Abdul Rahman, give me a linear equation in two variables, any random linear equation.
Okay. 2x plus y now equal 15.
15. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna share my screen.
The screen is already shared.
Yeah, another one. I'm going to share another screen. Okay. Let me first delete this and delete this as well. Now I'm going to write what what's your name? Abdul Rahman told me. Okay. He said, where did it go? Okay. He said 2x plus y equals 15. So 2x plus y. And if you want, you can play around with this as well by yourself. It's called geogebra.org. I'm going to write it here. Slash calculator. Okay. Okay. Let's come back to this. 2x plus y equals 15. Did you notice that the moment I did equals 15, see, when I do 2x plus y equals 1, it's coming over here, okay? Are you seeing where the graph is right now? And the moment I write 15, it becomes like this. So let me try to zoom in a little bit so that, oh, wait a minute. Let me, are you able to see the screen now? Has it become more clearly visible now? Okay. Y'all can see it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, look at my whiteboard, okay? 2x plus y equals 15. Tell me any two solutions to this, okay? Abdul Rahman, you have to tell me two solutions. Then you have to tell me two solutions. The same way we did this, okay? The same way, you have to tell me two solutions each. Go. Abdul Rahman, let's start with you. One
Okay.
solution, please. Let's put x as 0.
Yes, let's put x as 0.
So when you put x as 0, this entire x wali term, it disappears.
Yeah.
What are we left with?
Y equal 15. Then
15. Very good.
that
So
means
y
the
equals 15.
yes.
0, 15. Okay. Now look at 0, 15. How do you plot 0, 15 on this graph? 0 is over here. On the x-axis, we don't move anything at all. We only move on the y-axis. So we're moving positive y-axis. There you go. 0, 15 is this point. Oops. Okay. 0, 15. You can see it. It even tells you the name of the point.
Yes.
Got it?
X.
Okay.
X comes
Yeah.
first. So that means 0, then 15.
0, 15. Okay, that's the point. All right. Now let's come back to our whiteboard. Zen, give me one more solution of this equation.
Let y equal 0.
Okay, y equals 0. So when y equals 0, that means this entire term disappears, right? So that means 2x equals 15. Are you able to see my whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay. So 2x equals 15. Now 2x equals 15. That means x equals what?
Uh,
15 by 2?
Yeah.
Yes or no? The 2
Yes.
goes to the other side, right? 15 by 2.
yes.
So x is 15 by 2. What is 15 by 2, by the way? It is 7.5.
Yes.
7.5. So my next point is 7.5, 0. Let's see where that point lies. 7.5, 0 will be, you start at the origin, x-axis, you start moving 7.5 units, you reach over here. Y-axis, you don't move at all. Okay.
Ma'am,
So this is
I also
7.
have a way to answer it.
Sorry.
Okay, so we can make x into 5. So that means 2 multiplied by
Okay,
5
fine. So x
equals,
is 5. Hmm.
so that means 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. So that
Hmm.
means y is 5.
Yes. So that means x is 5 and y is 5. Let's plot that point as well. 5 comma 5. Can you see that that point is right over? So this is 5. Now we're moving in the y direction. 5, 5, 5 is right over here. Can you see that this point as well? Let me first do this. Wait a minute. Can you see that this point as well lies on the line? Can you see that all of these points are lying on the line?
I don't see the line.
Wait a minute. Are you able to see the? Are you able to see my calculator, my graph?
No, we can.
You're not able to see my graph?
Yeah, I can't see the line.
You can see the graph, right?
No, I can't.
Wait a minute.
The graph is not in the screen.
I'm gonna share my screen again. Screen share is loading. Okay, let it load. Now it's visible.
Yes.
So can you see that all the 3 points that we just now wrote on our whiteboard, 0, 15, that's my point C. 7.5, 0, that's my point D. 5, 5, that's my point A. So can you see that all 3 of these points are lying on the graph of the line, graph of this equation. So
Yeah.
please write it. All the solutions will lie on the graph of the equation. Okay. So if I tell you that, let's say A comma B is any random point, okay? Any random point. A could be anything, B could be anything. A comma B, I'm telling you, is a solution. Or if I'm telling you that it lies on the graph of this line. It lies on the graph of this equation. Then that means it is going to be a solution. Okay. If a point lies on the line or on the graph of the equation, it will be a solution of that equation. Are you understanding how it's happening? Abdul Rahman, are you understanding this?
Yeah, yes, I'm understanding this.
All right, then we'll do a few questions on this in the next class, and then we will wrap up with this chapter, and then we'll start a new chapter in the next class. But your homework is,
Ma'am, we should write one more, right?
sorry, no, we
Uh,
don't have much, we don't have any time left, so we're gonna wrap up over here itself. Homework is exercise 4.2, okay? The entire exercise. Let me share the exercise with you as well. This is the exercise. Take a screenshot if you want. Done. This is your homework. Please finish it before the next class, which is on Monday. Sorry, Tuesday.